We'll guide you through how to archive posts from Threads account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, open the Windows Start menu on your computer system by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, search for Google Chrome using the search field provided so you can quickly locate the browser application. After the search results appear, run Google Chrome on your device by clicking its icon from a list. When the browser opens successfully, move your cursor to the address bar located at the top of the window. Type Threads into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to begin searching for the platform. From the displayed search results, click on the official Threads website to continue. Before proceeding further, ensure you've already logged into your Threads account using your existing account credentials. Once logged in successfully, the Threads interface and your timeline will become visible on screen. To archive posts from your Threads account, hover your cursor to the left side of the interface where the navigation menus are displayed. Locate and select the Profile menu, represented by a person's silhouette icon, to open your personal Threads profile page. After your profile page loads completely, scroll down carefully and locate the threads or posts you have previously created and shared on the platform. Browse through the list until you find a specific thread you wish to hide from your public timeline. Once you have identified the correct thread, click on it so the full post view appears on your screen. Next, hover your cursor to the top right corner of the selected thread. You will notice a 3 dots icon that provides additional options and controls for the post. Tap the 3 dots icon to open more available actions for the selected thread. A pop-up menu will appear shortly afterward, showing several options related to your post management settings. From the displayed list, choose the Archive option to continue with the process. After selecting it, your post will disappear from your main timeline and will no longer be publicly visible on your profile page. A notification labeled Archive Post will appear on your screen, indicating that you have successfully archived the selected post from your Threads account. You can repeat the same process whenever you want to hide additional posts from your profile without permanently deleting them from your account history later.